Hello everyone! I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. PiNetwork is getting closer to opening its doors to the public, and its latest Mainnet upgrade to protocol version 19 is a big step in that direction. This upgrade has brought major improvements, including faster transactions and seamless interoperability, making the network more powerful and efficient. But there's even more that's happening behind the scenes. Let's break it down. Faster transactions with Layer 2 integration. The upgrade has introduced Layer 2 solutions, creating express lanes for transactions. As a result, PiNetwork can now process 1.19 million transactions per second, greatly improving its speed and scalability. A blockchain's ability to handle large volumes of transactions is key to its success. With this improvement, PiNetwork is becoming more efficient and competitive. Improved cross-chain interoperability. Another major upgrade is PiNetwork's enhanced bridging capabilities, allowing it to easily transfer assets and data across different blockchains. This means Pi can now interact more smoothly with other networks, expanding its reach and usability. Strong interoperability is essential for growth, and this feature makes PiNetwork more versatile within the broader crypto ecosystem. Getting ready for the open network launch. PiNetwork is still in its testing phase, with only a select group of users currently able to access it. However, this upgrade is a key step toward its much-anticipated open network launch, where anyone will be able to join the network, use Pi cryptocurrency, build apps on the network, and participate in the Pi ecosystem. With these improvements, PiNetwork is making sure it's ready for a smooth and successful public launch. PiNetwork has recently upgraded its protocol to key features of Protocol 19. Enhanced security, strengthened measures to ensure more secure transactions and network validation, improved scalability, optimizations to better handle increased network activity, laying the groundwork for the upcoming Mainnet launch. User experience enhancements refinements aimed at providing a smoother experience for Pi miners and node operators. Following this upgrade, PiCoin's IOU tokens experienced a 9% price increase, reaching $44. It's important to note that these IOUs represent a promise of future delivery and are currently traded on select exchanges. However, PiCoin is not yet available on the open market, as the network remains in its enclosed mainnet phase. The Pi Core team has outlined conditions for transitioning to the open network, including achieving 15 million KYC verified users, 10 million mainnet migrations, and the development of 100 mainnet-ready applications. As of December 2024, over 18 million users have completed KYC verification, and more than 8 million have migrated to the mainnet. The team continues to work towards meeting the remaining milestones before announcing a specific launch date. As the mainnet launch approaches, pioneers are encouraged to complete their KYC verification and migrate their PI balances to the mainnet to fully participate in the open network upon its release.